today's video is TONEX versus AmpliTube 5, comparing two powerful guitar software options. Choosing the right guitar software can transform your playing and tone without complex setups. We'll look at both TONEX's AI-driven modeling and AmpliTube 5's extensive effects suite. TONEX and AmpliTube 5 both offer guitarist digital tools to shape their sound. TONEX focuses on AI-powered amp and pedal modeling for realistic tone capture, while AmpliTube 5 delivers a vast collection of customizable amps and effects with deep manual control. TONEX is an AI-driven guitar amp and pedal modeling software developed by IK Multimedia. It uses machine learning to recreate the sound of real amplifiers and pedals by analyzing their tonal characteristics. Users can load profiles of famous amps or create their own custom tones by blending different models. The software works by processing your guitar input through these AI-generated models in real time, offering highly authentic and dynamic sound reproduction. TONEX excels in delivering natural amp response and subtle nuances, making it ideal for players seeking a lifelike amp experience without physical gear. Its strengths include intuitive tone matching and a streamlined interface, but it requires a moderately powerful computer for smooth operation. While it offers preset profiles, advanced users may find fewer manual tweaking options compared to traditional modelers. TONEX is perfect for guitarists who want realistic tone capture with minimal setup, and those interested in experimenting with AI-generated sounds. AmpliTube 5 by IK Multimedia is a comprehensive guitar and bass tone studio that provides an extensive library of virtual amps, cabinets, pedals, and effects. Unlike TONEX's A approach, AmpliTube 5 relies on detailed physical modeling technology to simulate gear with high precision. It offers flexible signal chains, allowing users to build complex rigs with multiple amps and effects. AmpliTube 5 supports deep manual control over every parameter, from EQ to gain staging, making it a favorite for players who want full customization. The software includes a wide range of officially licensed models of classic and modern equipment, plus options for recording and live performance. Its strengths lie in versatility and a rich feature set, but this also means a steeper learning curve for beginners. It demands more time to dial in tones but rewards users with unmatched control and variety. AmpliTube 5 suits guitarists who want a powerful, all-in-one solution for tone creation, recording, and live use, especially those comfortable with detailed sound design. Comparing TONEX and AmpliTube 5 reveals distinct approaches to guitar tone shaping. TONEX's AI-based modeling offers quick, realistic amp tones with minimal tweaking, perfect for players who want authentic sound fast. AmpliTube 5 provides deeper customization with a broader selection of gear models and effects, ideal for users who enjoy crafting their exact tone manually. For live performance, AmpliTube's flexible signal routing and multi-amp setups give it an edge. TONEX's simplicity and natural response make it excellent for practice and recording sessions focused on realism. However, AmpliTube 5's comprehensive features and licensed gear library make it the better choice for professionals requiring versatility and detailed control. The trade-off is between ease of use and depth of customization depending on your workflow and tone preferences. Choose TONEX if you want fast, realistic amp tones powered by AI with minimal setup, ideal for practice and natural sounding recording. AmpliTube 5 is the best pick for guitarists seeking a versatile, all-encompassing tone studio with deep control and a vast effects library. Whether recording or performing live, its customization options make it a professional-grade solution to elevate your sound.